Students, good morning. How are you? We are fine. Today we will do activity on this and that. So let's start.
This is a pencil box. That is a cup. This is a water bottle. That is a notebook. This is a pencil box. That is a water bottle. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a lunch box. This is a book.
No.
That is a book. This is a candy box. This is a water bottle. This is a pencil box. That is a cup. This is a water bottle. That is a notebook. This is a pencil box. That is a water bottle. This is a pencil. That is a notebook. This is a tiffin box. This is a pencil box. That is a cup. This is a water bottle. That is a notebook. This is a pencil box. That is a water bottle. This is a pencil. That is a notebook. This is a tiffin box. That is a water bottle. Pencil box. That is a cup. This is a water bottle. That is a notebook. This is a pencil box. That is a water bottle. This is a pencil. That is a notebook. This is a book. This is different. That is a water bottle. This is a tomato box. That is a cup. This is a water bottle. That is a notebook. This is a tomato box. That is a water bottle. This is a pencil. That is a book. This is a tiffin box. That is a water bottle. This is a pencil box. That is a cup. This is a water